What is up, guys? It's Jess here today, and I am doing my 2017 bike check. So, first off, let's start off with the grips. These are my Vans Colt grips for my BMX. And then we are still riding my DK handlebar. I like it a lot. You know, it's holding up really good. You know, and then we got this next headset. I mean, I don't like it, but it's alright for right now. Then I finally got my new tires, my Eastern tires, and we're riding a regular black rim for the front. The frame is Mongoose, of course. We got a whole bunch of stickers and everything. Then we are riding some new cranks too. Don't know what they're called. I think I'm just gonna call them Shadow. You know, but I doubt that's what they're called. And then we're just riding a regular chain. And then we also got a new wheel for the rear. You know. It is a Assistus or something like that. I've never been able to figure out what it is. We are riding Odyssey forks, the front. Regular Mongoose seat, because I don't got a new one yet. Regular pedals. The sprocket, just a regular, you know, old sprocket I had. And then we got a tennis ball in the front and the back. And also, if you guys are wanting to win any of the items that we are doing for the giveaway, which are Battlefield 4, Modern Warfare 2, headset I still believe, I can't remember quite sure. Then we also have the wallet, if you want to win that. So, and also if you guys haven't seen my new video I posted a video earlier today, you know, go ahead and go and watch that after this, and just, you know, hit that thumbs up button for it. And if you're new to my channel, hit the red subscribe button, and peace out, guys. And also, one more thing. If you guys do want to win that stuff, you're going to have to comment on this video telling me your address and why you think again. And tonight, I'll go live on Black Ops 2. And that is when I will choose the winners for the giveaway. So, yeah. Peace out, everyone. And yeah, peace out, guys.